Chapter number 6, Random Variable and Mathematical Expectation. First we have to concentrate discrete random variable. So the discrete random variable is taken as sum, probability mass function PMF. So the probability mass function can be written as, we have to satisfy two conditions. The first one is P of x, probability of x is greater than or equal to 0. Next, total probability equal to 1. So this is known as a discrete random variable in probability mass function. Next one is cumulative distribution function CDF. Definition is fx of x equal to probability of x is less than or equal to x. This can be rewritten as fx of x equal to sigma xi is less than or equal to x pxi. This is the definition of a cumulative distribution function. Exercise number 6.1, problem number 1. Construct the CDF, cumulative distribution function, for the given probability distribution. X can be taken as 0, 1, 2, 3, and probability of x equal to x 0.3, 0.2, 0.4 and 0.1. Find CDF, cumulative distribution function. So the PDF is given, find CDF. So definition of CDF is already fx of x equal to probability of x is less than or equal to x. This is the definition of CDF. So we have to take the definition of CDF, fx of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. First we have to take 0, fx of 0. Fx of 0 can be taken as the right hand side of the definition, probability of x is less than or equal to 0. In the place of x we have to take 0. So x is less than or equal to 0. So this less than or equal to 0 means this value can be taken as 0.3. So probability of x less than or equal to 0 is 0.3. So fx of 0 equal to 0.3. Next one, fx of 1. Next we have to take the second value, x less than or equal to 1. So we have to take probability of x less than or equal to 1. Less than or equal to 1 means we have to, less than or equal to 1 means we have to take 0 and 1. So we have include 1 less than or equal to. So we have to include 1. So x less than or equal to 1 means we have to take x equal to 0 and x equal to 1. Adding these two values. So the corresponding values are 0.3 and 0.2. So 0.3 plus 0.2 equal to 0.5. Next one, fx of 2 equal to probability of x less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means we have to include 0, 1 and 2. So x equal to 0, probability of x equal to 1, probability of x equal to 2. So adding these three corresponding values, 0.3, 0.2 and 0.4. 0.3, 0.2 and 0.4. The value is fx of 2 is 0.9. Finally we have to find out fx of 3. Fx of 3 can be taken as probability of x less than or equal to 3 is, we have include 0, 1, 2 and 3, adding all the values. So probability of x equal to 0, 0.3, x equal to 1, 0.2, x equal to 2, 0.4 and x equal to 3 is 0.1, adding all the values equal to 1. So these are all the corresponding CDF values, hence the problem. Again we have moved to problem number 2. Let x be a discrete random variable with the following PMF. Suppose the given problem is discrete, means this problem can be written in P of x. Suppose the problems are given in P of x means it's a discrete random variable. So P of x can be taken as 0.3 for x equal to 3, 0.2 for x equal to 5, 0.3 for x equal to 8, 0.2 for x equal to 10, 0 otherwise. So in this problem we have to find CDF. PDF is given, find CDF. So in the given probability mass function can be taken as suppose the value x equal to 3, the corresponding P of x value is 0.3, again x equal to 5, this can be taken in tabular form, again 0.2, x equal to 8 means 0.3 and x equal to 10 is 0.2. So we have to fix up to 10, 3 to 10, not to take 0, 0 is otherwise. So we have to take only from 3 to 10, 3, 5, 8, 10, P of x value 0.3, 0.2, 0.3 and 0.2. We have to compute the CDF of x. So the definition of CDF of x can be taken as fx of x equal to probability of x less than or equal to x. First we have to consider 0th term less than or equal to, suppose the f of x is less than or equal to 0. Suppose the values are less than or equal to 0. So 0 or less than 0 means corresponding value is nearly 0. So the value is become 0. X is less than 3. Suppose values are less than 3. Suppose the value is 2 or 1. But the values are taken as 0. Less than 3. Okay. Suppose next one, f of x is less than, f of x is 3. Suppose we have to take 3. Yes, we have to apply the definition of CDF, probability of x less than or equal to 3. Less than or equal to 3 means 3 or less than 3. So exactly 3 or less than 3, the value can be taken as 0.3. If values are lies between 3 to 3 is include, but 5 is exclude. So we have to take only 3. 3 is include, but not to take 5. So 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. Next one, probability of, next one is CDF, fx of 5 can be taken as probability is x less than or equal to 5. Less than or equal to 5 means we have to add these two values. Less than or equal to 5 means 3 is included and 5. So probability of x equal to 3 and 5. 0.3 plus 0.2 equal to 0.5. The limits are lies between 5 is include but 8 is exclude. Again fx of 8. Fx of 8 is a probability of x less than or equal to 8 means include 3, 5 and 8. So 3, 5, 8. So corresponding values are 0.3, 0.2, 0.3 equal to 0.8. If 8 is include, 10 is exclude for this class limits. Finally, fx of 10 can be taken as a probability of x less than or equal to 10, CDF. So we have to include 3, 5, 8 and 10. So we got 3 x equal to 3, 5, 8 and 10. 10 is also include. So corresponding values are 0.3, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2. Adding all the values equal to 1. So 10 is include otherwise. So 10 is less than or equal to x. So this is the final answer for this CDF. Let us move to problem number 3. The following discrete random variable x has the following probability function. Probability of x equal to x. Kx is given. The corresponding values are 2, 4, 6. K into x minus 2. Corresponding value is x equal to 8. 0 otherwise. So not to take this value. 0 otherwise means leave it this value. Where k is the constant, show that k equal to 1 by 18. We have to prove that k equal to 1 by 18. to take this function is a discrete random variable. So p of x is given means this is the discrete random variable. So kx corresponding values, k into x minus 2 corresponding value 0 otherwise. So first we have to put in this corresponding function x equal to 2. 2 is given means, so kx we have to apply x equal to 2k. So the 2, the corresponding value is 2k. Next one, again we have to take 4 in the place of x 4k. Again in the place of x 6k. So the value is 6, corresponding probability value is 6k. Next, the second function k into x minus 2, value is x equal to 8. So we have to put in the place of x 8. 8 minus 2 is 6, so 6k. 8 corresponding value is 6k. So the calculations are given in the problem. So first we form the table. X is 2, probability is 2k. X is 4, probability of 4k. X is 6, probability 6k. X is 8, probability of 6k. Our aim is find the constant value. Constant value means total probability equal to 1. Definition of probability is total probability equal to 1. So total probability, the corresponding probability values are 2k plus 4k plus 6k plus 6k. So adding all the total probabilities, so 2k plus 4k plus 6k plus 6k equal to 1. Adding all the probabilities, so 18k equal to 1, k equal to 1 by 18. This is the proof of this problem.